Hello future hackers. This video you will be waiting for so eagerly. The time has finally arrived. Today I am bringing something very special and valuable for all of you. I am going to share a complete set of 29 practical videos along with one grey hat hacker book, all focused on hand-on, real-world and practice on learning. Important instruction. Make sure you are subscribed to the YouTube channel Technical Yadi. Like this video. After liking, go to the comment section and comment with your name and bottom your email ID. And within 24 hours, I will personally send you Google Drive link containing 29 practical grey hat hacking videos and grey hat hacker book and well organized resources. So this content is designed for those who are serious about cybersecurity or ethical hacking. So make sure you stay subscribed to YouTube channel Technical Yadi or turn on notification. Thank you for your support and trust. We will meet again in next video. To keep you updated about new videos, resources, announcements and future advanced level practical content, I will also create an official WhatsApp group. You can join the WhatsApp group to stay connected and receive all updates on time. The WhatsApp group link is available in the comment section.